Hey guys, in this video we'll cover another objective for the MO-200 exam, and namely how we can paste data by using special paste options in Excel. Before we start, I encourage you to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any new training content, and now let's begin. So before we paste data, it is sometimes handy to open the clipboard. So essentially, every time you copy something, that means you use your shortcut Ctrl+C or Command+C, it goes to the clipboard. For example, I can click here, Ctrl+C, and it is now in the clipboard. And we might want to use that content of the clipboard in our workbook, for example, and paste it. Let's perhaps remove that, and I'm sorry, we will need that, for example, and let's click paste, and here are all the available formats which you can use in Excel to paste some values. So we can see that we can paste everything that has been copied, or just the formula, value, format, comments and notes, and validation also. And there are some like more special options, like everything using source theme, everything except borders, column widths, and so on. We might also do some operations like add, subtract, multiply, divide, and some actions like skip blanks or transpose. We'll view or try out a few of those. So let's cancel and do this. Now we'll do some formatting and try to copy and paste that formatting. So let's use, for example, this good style for that cell, and I will click Ctrl+C, and let's say I want to apply that formatting to these cells. I go to paste, paste special, paste formats, and click OK. So that is how we can copy formats. For that we could also use the format painter, by the way. Let's revert these changes, and now let's paste, for example, let's use some operations. So we'll insert 5 here, 10 there, we'll copy the 5 and add this number to 10. So I click right mouse, click 10, paste special, operation, add, OK, and now the result is 15. Great. We'll view the last option for today, let's say, and that is the transpose action. So, for example, when you have a table, it is common that you have headers and items, and you can choose to copy those and transpose them, meaning you will switch the headers for the first column and so on. So we can copy them, click, for example, here, right mouse click, paste special, and transpose. And now you can see that the values are transposed. So yeah guys, that is all for today. I hope you find it useful. If so, smash that like button, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.